If you like Highland cow decor, stick around. I'm Nikki, welcome to my channel. We're going to start off by painting these two wooden squares that I got off Temu in a package of different shapes, and we're going to paint this with plaster by Waverly. I'm going to give it 2 heavy coats. And now I'm putting a thick layer of Mod Podge on, and I'm going to let that dry. I got this rice paper on Etsy, and I'm going to take my water pen and just go around the edges and make it a little less square. Rice paper doesn't tear as easily as tissue paper or napkins. Might all seem to do a good job roughing up the sides. I'm using parchment paper and my mini heat press to reactivate that Mod Podge. And this only takes a second for it to adhere. I did sand the edges down off camera. I'm repurposing this canvas frame and these paint sticks that were in my stash I never did anything with. I'm turning this into a palette. I'm using Gorilla Hot Glue, and I'm going to take one of the paint sticks and attach it to the bottom to make a little shelf. I'm going to give it 2 good coats of Burnt Umber by Apple Barrel. Burnt Umber was my go-to for a long time, but then when Waverly came out with their antique wax, that kind of got pushed on the back burner, but I love how rich and warm this is, and I'm definitely going to start using it more often. Let me know down in the comments what colors you like to use. I'm going to lightly distress this with Plaster by Waverly. I notice I stick to more earthy colors like browns, off-whites, and greens. I love to incorporate some light pinks whenever possible. One color that I don't get to use enough is Pumpkin by Waverly. I use it for Easter and then it gets set back until fall. Now this can be hung up or just rest on the little shelf part, but I'm making this for a friend and I wanted her to have the option to either hang it or just rest it. I'm just going to glue down the cute little cow. He's just so adorable. I love him. I'm using boxwood from my stash of floral pieces, and I'm going to just glue that onto the little shelf. The command hooks that you see, the idea I had originally was for her to be able to hang up her work badge and her emergency button for her badge, but they were both way too heavy for such a light shelf, so I did take those off. I'm adding both green and brown moss to the bottom and gluing that in there until my eyes are happy. I'm adding this beautiful rose, and this is it. I think it came out so adorable. Let me know down in the comments if you like this as much as I do. You know what to do if you want to stick around. I'd love to have you here. Thanks for watching. Bye.